Turn on emergency alerts notifications on your Twitter. First thing, go to your Twitter and click on your profile, click on setting and privacy, click on notifications, preference, and click on push notifications. Scroll down and at the bottom you will find emergency alerts. Hey guys, all you need to do is tap on it and turn it on just like this, and you can go back and turn it off again and anytime you want. This is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you on the next video.